Thank you.
Any words for it? Like, how does it?
Uh, it feels amazing. I don't feel like I've completed 9 years. Like I always say, I feel like I've just started off. And I feel like I have a lot more to give. I feel like I'm ready for even more challenging um, roles and even more challenging films. And I'm excited about one of those experiences because Padmavati is going to be extremely difficult, and but I'm ready. I think I'm ready for that experience and for that journey.
Now you are part of the international red carpets. Now walking the red carpet here at TV, and now here. Do you find any difference or like?
It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. It's always fun to dress up and to get ready and then to interact with the media and um, interact with your fans who are on the red carpet. It's always fun.
वहाँ पे कैसा रहा?
कहाँ पे
क्या बात है? है ना आपको?
जो आपने देखा वही it was great fun. I love music and it was amazing to watch some of these artists perform live. I think as an actor to just watch some amazing performances, I think I've really learned a lot.
दीपिका वो ईरान में हमने आपकी शूट करते देखा
मुंबई में अभी सॉरी मजीद मजीद
No, no, you say. No, you say. नहीं 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 आप क्या बोल रहे थे आप बताओ.
वो मजीद मजीद का जो हमने देखा
कौन?
the film that you were shooting.
No, he was asking the question. He should ask properly.
If you could just answer.
हाँ तो वो
नाम तो याद कर लो ठीक से.
मतलब क्या फिल्म है या क्या कुछ अगर आप बताएं?
You'll know soon. You'll know soon.
दीपिका आपकी सेरेमनी के बारे में बताइए. A legacy of drugs.
Yes.
We saw the ad in which you were taking the backhand forward. हाँ, तो उसके बारे में शर्मिला जी ने स्टार्ट किया. She was the first and now the ad. उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
I think it was definitely an iconic moment for me because Sharmila ji, of course, but I've grown up watching Madhuri ji and Sridevi ji, and to share screen space with them and to be named in the same league and category as them, I think for me was a huge honor. Like I said, it's only been 9 years and I feel like I have a long way to go. But it was a huge honor, and most importantly, all four of us had a lot of fun when we were shooting. We were all very happy that we were all getting to work together. And this evening again, I'm going to meet everyone.
Mr. Shahrukh Khan है और उसके लक्ष्य के क्योंकि ज़्यादा मेन स्टार्स अभी कोई नहीं. Mr. Shahrukh Khan is the only one who is part of the drugs. How you see it like? Is it
I don't know if I can comment on that because I don't know in what capacity he's associated with the brand, so I can't comment on that.
He's a brand ambassador and he's presenting the awards.
I wouldn't know that, but he is definitely hosting the evening along with Karan and a lot of amazing performances. But that's all I know.
दीपिका मेरी कलीग पूछा that she is a tribute to women of Bollywood. कई women हैं जो acid attacks के victims रहे हैं. तो उनके लिए and they have come out strongly and bravely. Any words for would you like to express for them?
Yes, but having said that, I don't think it should be discussed in such a frivolous manner. I think there is a time and place for everything. When we comment on certain things, I think there is a time and place for everything. Having said that, I've interacted and met a lot of them in the past, and I have a lot of love and respect for them.
दीपिका गवर्नमेंट ने 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो गवर्नमेंट का सही डिसीजन है? आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely. I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them on that.
Deepika, one last question
Thank you.
about your next film. We've heard that you are having premiere, India premiere for Triple X. So will we see Vin and the other cast will come to India?
Hopefully, I've spoken to them a lot about India. They all know a lot about India, and obviously I want to, most importantly, the amazing experience that I had while filming this movie, I want to share that experience with everyone. And yeah, so I will, hopefully, all of them will be here.
One last Om Shanti will be made in Japanese now. As
It's going to be a Japanese play, if I'm not mistaken. It's not going to be. I mean, I'm sure they've already translated the movie, or maybe it's already been made in Japanese. I'm not sure. But Farah called me the other day and she said they're making it a play, and they all loved Shanti Priya. And the premiere of that is going to be in July next year, and most probably Farah and I will be going together.
Congratulations for your film.
Thank you.
After the landmark in terms of box office collections. कुछ कहना चाहिए? What's your
ऑब्वियसली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि जितना प्यार मुझे साल मिला है विद सुल्तान एंड एदिल, आई मीन आई रियली फील वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल. तो ये दौर चल रहा है और मैं इसको एंजॉय कर रही हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे ये मौके मिल रहे हैं टू यू नो शो डिफरेंट फैसेट्स ऑफ मी एज एन एक्टर.
तो ये we are so happy to see you. मतलब आप पहले काफी दिनों बाद मुझसे बातचीत करी. You saw that how the photographers were excited.
उनको तो मैं मिलती रहती हूँ एयरपोर्ट्स में फॉर एयरपोर्ट लुक्स. गुड, एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी गुड एंड आई विल नॉट टॉक फॉर एनीबडी, सो यू शुड आस्क देम.
अनुष्का जी, कैसा रहा ये 2016 आपके लिए? आप फाइनली आप
जैसे मैंने बोला ये साल मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा है. कितना चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग, मैं क्या करूँ देखो. हाँ, तो बहुत स्पेशल रहा है बिकॉज इस साल सुल्तान और एदिल है मुश्किल दोनों फिल्में रिलीज़ हुई हैं मेरी और नॉट जस्ट दैट दोनों पिक्चरें सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर और मेरी परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद किया है. तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक्टर के लिए वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरा साल.
और the ring for the evening, कुछ बताने दें, you're performing or you're part?
So I'm performing. So this will be my first performance of the year. So I'm quite excited. Live performances करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है because you're very scared कि nervousness होती है perform करने से पहले. But जब you know आप stage पे होते हो तो बहुत अच्छी feeling भी होती है. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm looking forward to the performance and I hope everything goes well.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is also a particular, he's co-star in your next film also, and part of the ceremony also. Are you performing with him or?
No, it's a solo performance. Okay, thank you guys.
The ring के बारे में भी अगर आपको
अभी बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तो बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में. थैंक
रोज
यू.
की बात हो रही है क्योंकि तो आपसे जानना चाहिए कि आपकी लाइफ का पहला रोज आपने दिया हो या आपको किसी ने जो कुछ याद है आपको ऐसे मेमोरी को शेयर करना चाहे?
नहीं, याद ही नहीं आ रहा.
Would you like to?
ऐसे हो सकता है मतलब सच्ची में याद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसे कौन याद रखता है मेरा पहला रोज मुझे किसी ने दिया था? अरे याद रखते हैं लोग. लास्ट में किसी ने नहीं दिया.
Anushka, how are you dealing with the recent decision of our PM, economic?
I think I've tweeted and I've expressed my feelings on Twitter, and that's you know as much as I'd like to say on that. I think it's a very very bold initiative, and as citizens, we all should take part and you know go through these immediate problems that we are facing right now, and you know in the long run and for the larger good of the nation, this is going to help us all. So let's all stick together and support this.
One of my colleagues wanted to ask, since this is a tribute to women,
Where's your colleague?
पीछे है वो wanted to ask you, like, since this is a tribute to women, many women who have gone through some unpleasant experiences or accidental experiences, they have come strongly, more bravely. So any words from about them which you like?
You know the thing about women is that बहुत एक inner strength होती है जो बहुत quiet strength होती है, and हर औरत and हर वो इंसान और वो आदमी जो ये चीज़ इन औरतों में देख सकता है वो समझेगा कि वही एक्चुअली उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा you know सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी होती है, सबसे खास बात होती है. बाहर से आप कैसे लगते हैं is not really important. It's how you are from inside, you know, what kind of strength you hold as a woman that actually defines you. And I feel like you know if this is the way we are going right now, you know, the way women are expressing themselves so openly and how everybody is talking about, you know, working towards women empowerment and everything else. I think it's a very good time that we are living in, and I think we all should just work together towards making it a better country, because when everyone's happy and the women are doing well in the country, kids are doing well in the country, you'll be a, you know, successful economical nation.
Thank you so much. We are hoping you get lots of awards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
आज शाम क्या स्पेशल है?
कि actually ये awards, the Lux Golden Rose Awards, are a special awards. It's their first year, and it's completely dedicated for women. So and we have like some iconic women here today, like Sri Devi, and you know, just to name a few. And yeah, I think it's very very exciting that, you know, we can have such an award like this today. स्पेशल डिज़ाइन मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन हाँ बिल्कुल एक्चुअली ये स्पेशली एक्चुअली गोल्डन लक्स अवार्ड्स के लिए, क्योंकि इट्स फॉर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट एक खास ड्रेस, आई थिंक एक खास ओकेजन के लिए, एक खास अवार्ड के लिए. पाओलो सेबेस्टियन. ओके. हाँ जी. हाँ ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ किया है तो इट्स वी आई मीन हैव टू वी वोटेड फॉर द गवर्नमेंट, सो वी हैव टू. एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सिर्फ जब मैं एक्चुअली ऑटो लेती हूँ तो चेंज नहीं है, तो वो बहुत तकलीफ है मेरे लिए एक्चुअली.
Evening. Thank you very much. Yes. Well, as you know, it's the Lux Awards, which is all about celebrating womanhood, and Shamak Dawa did the act, so we had a lot of fun. We did Kala Chashma, and we did it the Shamak Dawa style. But it really is a wonderful evening, and I think it's a great thing that Lux is doing to kind of specifically pick out the memorable characters that women have done this year and award people for it. And it was wonderfully hosted by Shah Rukh and Karan.
There has been a legacy, like starting from Sharmila ago, before the first brand ambassador, then going on. How do you see it, like who has been the most impactful women as far as cinema goes?
I think everyone has in their own unique way, and everyone, all the women you mentioned who have been associated with Lux have always been very unique in their own way and have always stood for something very particular and beautiful, which is why I think Lux has always chosen these women. And it was a wonderful night, and I think everyone has performed really well and everyone had a lot of fun.
As you told us, Shah Rukh Khan was also part of it.
Yes.
Remember that he had done an ad also. He's only man.
Yes, we did an ad together for Lux.
Any remembrance of that, like part from the past?
Well, I guess, I don't know, I think it's a very unique concept. I think it's a hard concept to pull off, which I think only Shah Rukh can do, because I think he's got that flair and he's just very comfortable with women. So I think it was a really fun ad.
And we would like to thank you, like these days we are getting to know more about you rather than being like totally unaware about it for your Facebook post and everything. How does it feel to be on?
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's been only what, I think about 5 months that I've been on Facebook, and I'm really having a lot of fun. I think that was the thing that I realized when I finally came onto Facebook after so many years, that you can choose the moments that you want to share with the people who watch you and who follow your work and who see your films, and I've had a lot of fun so far.
The one thing which is everyone has noticed that it is very natural. It's not like the no makeup look and the parrot. Was there like the?
That's a wooden parrot. Yeah, I mean, I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be an insight into the part of you which the audience or the people who watch your films do not get to see on screen. So it has to be different, and it has to be the personal moments and the unique moments.
One of our colleagues was asking that since this is part of tribute to the women, there are many acid survivors who have come strongly out of it. Would you like to express some words for them, especially like?
I think such women like that are, I mean, it's very hard to put it into words, because I think women like that are such an immense inspiration. I mean, so many of us, including myself, we get caught up in our little problems. You know, we get caught up in our little world and our careers and what's going on in our life. And then when you sometimes come outside of that bubble which we live in, and which I think I know I live in the film industry, and you come outside and you see how many women actually are suffering out there in the world, like you're saying, you know, women who are actually victims of attacks, then you really know what suffering is, and then you know what strength of character is. And these are the women who I think, you know, deserve to be acknowledged, and that is true strength of character. And for me, these are the women that you learn from, and you learn to be grateful for what we have in our lives.
I just end this, but one question more. Like we are all asking, like curious to know about this social, economic turbulence which has happened no doubt in the last 2 days. Like, do you think it's a good step, or it has repercussions, or it is affecting the low people more?
I think tonight is about Lux, and as you said, I think you chose a wonderful topic to speak on, which was women who are victims of the attacks. So I think we'll leave it to that tonight, because I don't want to take away any of the attention from that. But thank you all for coming. Sorry about the wait.
मैं परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ और मैं अवार्ड देखना भी चाहता हूँ, and I'm really looking forward to a fun evening. Pleasant evening to you too. कैसे हैं आप? बिल्कुल ठीक. Yes. Yeah, I think it's a great platform. I don't think we've had an award which has celebrated women and only women and focused on women the way that the awards tonight are, and I think that's a fantastic gesture on the part of Lux and the entire team at Zee. So I'm looking forward to a different award function, some new types of awards, and women who are achievers at the top of their game being honored and shown respect the way that they should. सर मैं शर्ट पहन के आने वाला था और टी शर्ट से काम चला लिया मैंने. जी अगर करप्शन हटाना है तो, और जब करप्शन इतना ज़्यादा हो तो शायद थोड़ा हार्ड स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. I think it's still early to comment on how it will go, because there are certain practicalities attached to the change in currency and the notes that have been changed. So it's going to be difficult. Everybody's finding it difficult. I'm sure we will also find it difficult. But if it leads to less corruption, if it leads to less black money, if it leads to less fake money, which is also a very big issue that we've been facing, then I think it's a bold step, and I think it's in the right direction. I will be starting shooting for Padmavati in a couple of weeks. That's what I will be doing next. And Rangoon is what I have already finished, and it will be out in February. सर मैं शुरू किया नहीं है, तो जब शुरू करूँगा तो फील मिलेगा. But it's an amazing honor to work with Mr. Bhansali. I loved his last film, and I've loved many of his films, and I think he's a fantastic filmmaker. And I'm very excited about the role that he has offered me. This is the first time me and Deepika will be working together, which is great. This is the first time me and Ranveer will be working together, which is great. It's a really big film, and it's a really challenging film to do as an actor. That's what excites me the most. After working with Vishal Bhardwaj, to be working with Sanjay Bhansali is, you know, it's an amazing place to be. I feel very fortunate as an actor.
Well, I've actually judged the categories, so मुझे सारे you know जितने भी nominees हैं मुझे पता है, so I'm aware of that, and I'm very excited. And जैसे आपने कहा कि शाहरुख is going to be there, I'm always a Shahrukh fan, so I'm looking forward to that. Thank you. One sec. Well, I hope all of it subsides in due course of time, and of course it has been done with an intention for the betterment of our country. Initially there will be थोड़े बहुत hiccups तो रहेंगे, but I'm sure in due course of time सब settle हो जाएगा. Well, I'm sure every election has its effects on various nations, and India is no different. As a woman, I would have loved to have seen a woman in power. So I was definitely rooting for for Hillary Clinton, but may the best win. And like you know the.
I think they are felicitating all the Lux ladies and इतने सालों का association रहा है Lux के साथ. I think the greatest thing is that my mother was also a brand ambassador for Lux, my sister also and me also, and my mother-in-law. So I think the whole family has been part of the Lux family, and that's why I think I've made this effort to be here tonight. Well, I think Lux has a lot of colors, red, pink. But yeah, I think everybody will be in red and pink tonight.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has been the only actor, the male actor who has been part of the brand which is
Yeah.
associated with women and ads which have been made on women.
Well, I think women, girls, women, aunties, they all love Shah Rukh. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for Lux. और मैंने भी एक ऐड किया था एक बाथटब में जब शाह रुख बाथटब में थे and we were all around him. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador. नहीं आप किसी को पूछने नहीं देते हो. I think पिक्चर की सक्सेस, एक अच्छी कहानी और रिवॉर्ड्स मायने रखते हैं. मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं है. I think it's a great step. I think Lux का अवार्ड है तो definitely beauty, skin, all this बहुत बहुत important है, and it's one of the leading brands in India. So I think that it's going to be, all the beautiful women will be on stage. बोलो.
महिलाओं की बात हो रही है क्योंकि लड़कियों की बात हो रही है. बहुत सी ऐसी महिलाएं ऐसी लड़की हैं जिन्होंने ऐसे अटैक हुआ उसके बाद वो लड़के सामने आई हैं, फाइटर बनती हैं. उन महिलाओं को जिन्होंने इतनी ताकत, इतनी शक्ति दिखाई, उनके लिए क्या कहना है?
नहीं, आई थिंक जो शक्ति महिला में है, विमेन में है, आई थिंक वो किसी चीज़ में नहीं है. इसलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि हम भगवान को भी माता ही कह के बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि लड़कियों में ही ऐसी शक्ति है. एक दूसरे जो हम दूसरे सोल को भी जन्म देते हैं, आई थिंक वो एक औरत ही है. तो देयर इज़ नो वन स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ वुमन.
नमस्ते. टर्बुलेंस हैपनिंग आपके दिल में? यस. थैंक यू. Well, thank you so much. Compliments.
Please tell us something about your association with Lux or आज की शाम के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें. You have been part of.
Yes, I have been part of the Lux Golden Awards, and I think it's a wonderful thing because they are recognizing all the female characters in movies, all the heroines, all the actors who have contributed so much towards the industry, and all of them are women today. They're going to be awarded, they're going to be felicitated, which is a wonderful thing, I think. No, I think there have been a lot of women who have impacted cinema, and there will be a lot of women who will impact cinema in the future, and it's wonderful that all of them will be recognized in this way.
Well, I was a Lux face when I was in my 20s, so it began a long time ago, and it was really wonderful those days. And there was this gentleman called Mr. Venugopal who used to come from Chennai, and we used to think it was so prestigious to be part of the Lux campaign. We used to vie with each other, you know, all the other leading ladies, and we thought it was a great honor. And now, 50 years later, they've still thought of me, so I think it's wonderful. I think they're all the people, all the wonderful actors who've been part of Lux brand has been phenomenal. They are all achievers and beautiful, and not just beautiful, they're, they've left their mark in the industry. They're really great achievers.
करीना जी was also here. She said like हमारा सब लोग लक्ष्य से जुड़े हुए हैं ना.
I know, Kareena is also part of it, and I'm. Is this some kind of an ad for something else? Yeah. Is this? But it's very interesting. I want to know what's happening there. Okay, all right. Yeah. Nee, I was just saying that I was part of it many years ago when I was 20, in my 20s, and Kareena also now is also. So there is a continuous beautiful faces, wonderful elegance, and I think it's great the way the parampara, the tradition has continued with Lux. Yes. I think it's great. Shahrukh did that once, if you remember, with, I think he was in a bathtub or something. So this time, of course, he's with us and he's serenading us and he's having a great time. And he's absolutely charming and he's very good to all of us and he inspires us. So we really had a lovely time during the shoot. So you want to, I mean, this is a lovely evening. We are having such fun. And I've dressed up and I'm wearing my lovely jewelry and lovely sari. So let's celebrate tonight. उसके ऊपर मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ that I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. It'll be a lovely, lovely occasion. No, I think I personally, you know, we have a trust called the Patodi Trust, and we support acid survivors. Yeah, come. So we survive acid survivors. I'm working with some, I don't know if you have heard about Shiros. So and also with other acid survivors. I think as a woman and as an actor, we are so involved with our physical attributes, you know. So I cannot imagine a woman, and just because somebody's told them no, and then just throw acid on somebody. I think it's terrible, and I'm restoring, their faces and cosmetics. So I've been very involved with acid survivors.
Would like to have some words from you as well.
Sure, regarding?
Come closer. For the evening, your mom has been the first pioneer for the Lux, and now all the family members probably have been.
In fact, I have one of her old pictures from the earlier days in the Lux ads that she's done, which I think she looks stunning, and not only a pioneer, but I think a glamorous and very amazing, gracious person even back then. So I'm very proud to be with her today.
This is all in front of the camera, you know. So
if I show her the picture I have with her funky hairstyles and beautifully done, I think it's in the cover of one of the old earlier Lux.
What about now? I think I've got a funky hairstyle now.
It's stunning.
Thank you. Yes, I see all I'm a great fan of Sohas. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. She played a very matured and I think she acted very well. The narrative is very important and we must remember what happened on the 31st October. We should never forget it so that it doesn't happen again. And I think these films are very important. Why not? Of course, मैं चाहूँगी कि ऐसा हो. And if somebody really, directs it properly and has proper research, I think, his life has got a lot of things about the accident, about losing his father, and playing cricket with such a handicap. So it's quite interesting.
And how he wooed my mother as well. I think that will make the
Yes.
best part of the film.
The first Lux girl.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Film is better, book will be more appropriate.
We've already published a book, and there is again a biography also in the pipeline. But film is different, it's a three-dimensional, it's got a different appeal. I really don't know. I really don't know. Somebody who looks like Tiger. Maybe Ranbir Kapoor or somebody in the family. How's that? That's a real challenge, huh? What about Alia Bhatt? See, we've done the casting already. We'll have a cameo role. Yeah.
And ma'am, what have you planned for Miss Kareena Kapoor Khan, like for the branding?
No, I'm not discussing what I've planned for her. And of course, we are just going to celebrate and have a lot of fun. And I don't know whether she really wants a baby shower. I think she's just wants to be quiet and just spend time with her family. I'm sure she'll have some, all her friends like Amrita and Malaika and all these people will come and cheer her up. But I don't think it'll be a big baby shower.
एक सवाल सबके मन में है, क्या इंडिया में मुंबई में या अब्रॉड में like she will be going for the new
Most certainly not. Why? What's wrong with India?
Mumbai?
Of course. I mean, this is where we have lived and worked, and why should we go somewhere else?
So सबसे टेंशन हट गया.
I know, क्योंकि what a ridiculous question. We are, अच्छा,
दुनिया में ऐसे मतलब
हम लोग पागल है कि वहाँ जाएंगे और in winter it's cold. I mean, all the comfort of home. Of course, yeah.
Hinduja Khad या beach canteen.
Yes. Even home is better than going abroad.
Thank you so much. We had a very nice conversation with you, but we have been following मतलब एक rituals कि एक flying kiss देके जा रहा है यहाँ पे, तो आप भी like.
No, I'm a very Indian. I don't do all these flying kiss, and at my age, I most certainly won't do any flying kiss. I'll just say bye.
I'm sorry, I'm really late, but I was really unwell, so it took me. Oh, shush, please. You probably didn't even realize I was here. How's it going? This is really great. The weather's really nice, huh?